Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add drop shipping products to your Shopify store. So I assume you are drop shipping with AliExpress. If you are using a different store, then this might work as well. So what we need for this is an extension called Overload. I'm pretty sure that you've heard about that since it's pretty popular, but you want to install this onto your browser, so make sure you are using Google Chrome and then install this using the Chrome Web Store. So once you've installed that on your browser, you can go to AliExpress and find the product that you are drop shipping. Let's just click on a random product here. Let's say I'm drop shipping this right here. So you go to the product page, you will then find the overload icon in the bottom right corner. You want to click on that. It's then going to import this product to Overflow, which is the extension. Click on open import list. This will send you over to the import list that you have on your Overflow account. So this is the product you want to drop ship. You can change the information if you want to. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to click on import store. So once all of this all right, you want to click on import to store, and it's then going to import to your Shopify store. And there we go, this product has been imported to your Shopify store. We will see it over here, and that's how you can easily get a product from AliExpress to your store on Shopify. So like I said, it also works with some other platforms. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.